Hi Hoover families, it's Miss DePula. I just wanted to take a second just to go through the packet with all of our families, and anytime you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or to your child's teacher. Miss Clinton did an introductory video with her class, and I thought it was a great idea to share with all of our K through 5 parents. So I'm going to go through this. I know many packets didn't come yet, but they should arrive this week. And many of the activities you can start just with having books around the house. You can start as quickly as today. So I'm going to take the camera from my cameraman here, and I'm just going to go through the information. So here we have, in the packet, you're going to see that you're going to get an introductory letter. It will be in both English and Spanish, and it'll provide the same information, but I just wanted to go through the visuals as well, just to help our parents. So that will be the first thing that you'll see. As you go through the packet, and it's the same format through K through 5, I'm using the example today of grade 1. So I'm going to make sure my camera is this way. Okay, so you're going to see something like this. The format's going to look the same in every single packet. What it's going to have for each week, you can see the grade in the top right, and then week 1. It's going to have activities for Monday through Friday in read to self, work on writing, word work, and listen to reading and read to someone. So even though your packet is not here today, you could get started on the activities. For example, the read to self, they're looking for 15 minutes, and there's some suggested ideas there. And then, for example, today would be the week 1, day 1. So examples for work on writing, word work, as well as listen to reading and read to someone. So you could begin those even without the packet for the reading. These will be posted on our Facebook and Class Dojo page. The next thing that you're going to see, you'll see all the weeks for reading, and then will be the math. And the math will be in this format for every grade level. And so you're going to see again Monday through Friday. And in this one, you're going to have a number sense activity that you could begin with. Now, if your packets are not here yet, Miss Clinton had a great suggestion that you could just start with these this week just to get your child into the routine. Once the packets arrive, there's going to be additional worksheets in that packet. There's going to be a story problem, which will be an application problem. There's going to be a fact practice, as well as a game that you could work on each week. And so I'm going to show you what those look like just so that you are familiar with them. So let's go back to our story problems, which are our application problems. Our application problems are going to look like this. Okay, they're going to have the format, as you can see. This is week 1, day 1 there. It's going to have the question. It'll have the steps that they use in order to solve the problem. So you're going to see sentence form, the model drawing, show it on a unit bar, and then computation. One of the additional resources that is in the packet, and this will definitely help parents as you work with your child, these are the steps that our students use, that we teach them to use to solve word problems. This resource is in the packet in both English and Spanish. So it'll look like this. So that is the application problem. The next thing on there is the fact practice. Now the fact practice is going to look like this. It's something that's going to help them to learn those facts. So you can see here on the original sheet, it said lesson 1 sprint A. And so up at the top, you see the lesson 1 sprint and A. And so they would work through that sheet. And then the final component is your math with someone. And for week 1, it's actually going to be, and you'll see it'll be divided up like this. So you'll be able to tell that this is your math with someone, and it has all the games. And for example, here is time match. It will have the directions for the week, how you will play the game, as well as the resources you need in order to play the game. So that will be everything in there. I will post this, as I said, until the packets come. You could just begin with the number sense and then work from there. So I just want to thank all of you. I know this is sometimes a challenging time, but please don't hesitate to reach out if you have a question about anything to your child's teacher or myself. And we will continue with this together. I would love for you to share pictures as well as videos of your child reading or working on math problems, just as a reminder that we're all in this together and that we miss our Hoover families. And so it's great to see all your faces. I hope to pop in on as many Google Hangout meetings as I can. Definitely check each week. I'll be doing the weekly newsletter as well, just to keep you updated on any new information, as well as have all these links posted there for you. So I'm going to sign off, and my cameraman would just like to say goodbye and say hello to our Hoover families.
Hi, Hoover families.
Hi, Hoover families, and have a great day.